Hi, it's Ty Lucas again here in Las Vegas. Today we're at Skyview Mesa. It's an American West build, and this community features all rooftop decks on their homes. As you can see, because of that, I had to get Las Vegas in the background. I think it's a pretty spectacular view. Interesting fact about these homes is they were created or modeled after the owner's Manhattan beach home. So it's kind of a little different take on Las Vegas, introducing the beach into Las Vegas in these particular builds. They range from the 420s and anywhere from around the right below 3,000 to 3,000, a little bit above 3,000 square feet. So come with me as we go ahead and take a look at one of them. Again, here we are on the rooftop deck, and I'll show you that in a quick second.